Beeo ERP Marchandising Beeo software.
Hello everyone, this is AK James speaking. I want to describe our Beeo ERP for merchandising. This is our feature for merchandising. You see, accounts, activity, buying, calendar, installer, message, notes, point of sale, selling, stock, support, to do, website, and setup. These are our feature. You can create any item here. You see, this is item list, which is existing item, and you can create a new item. You see, item code, item name, item group, description. These are mandatory field. You must fill up it. Then you can upload here an image for a new item. You see another option, default, unit of measure, brand, barcode, inventory options, is stock item or not, is fixed asset or not. Default warehouse is mandatory where you reserve this item, has base number, has serial number, allowance percent, warranty period, valuation method. There is two options for valuation method. You can choose any one, FIFO and moving average. Okay, net weight, minimum order quantity. You can mention here about reorder. So reorder level, reorder quantity, you should mention here. Then here another option about purchase details. Then is purchase item or not, default, supplier, you can mention here about supplier, lead times, days, default expense account, default buying cost center. Okay, here you mention here about sales details, is sales item or not, is service item or not, maximum discount for this item, default income account for this item, default selling cost center. Okay, you also mention here about tax, inspection criteria, and about manufacturing. So it's actually for manufacturing, allow of bill of material or not, is subcontract item or not. Okay, after all complete, you should save. Before save, you can also add a price for this item if you want. So you should save here, and you can also create a customer. Here you see 3 customer, existing customer. These are you can create new customer here. So full name of customer, customer group, territory, types, these are mandatory field. Customer group, here the many option, commercial, government, individual, non-profit, you can choose here. And territory, there are 2 options, you can choose one. Type, there are 2 options, company or individual, anyone you can choose. So there is more information about customer. If you want, you fill this field. So currency, price list, tax and charges, credit days, credit limit. These are about your customer details. Sales team, sales partner, commission rate. These are actually for sales team, for this customer. So now after all complete, you should save here. Okay. And when a customer demand any item or any products of your organization, then you should first make sales order. So here you can create a sales order. So we create a new sales order. Here mention a customer. Suppose James is our customer. And here mention delivery date. So you see currency. This BDT. Here many options. So we mention here BDT, and this is price list, is standard selling for selling, and you must input here an item. So we input here an item. Suppose we want to sell a charger fan. So quantity which you want to sell. Suppose 10 quantity here. Okay. So here you input discount percent if you want, and this is a reserved warehouse. Okay. You see here option add new row. This if you want you input here another item. Okay. Suppose we want to sell one item, and this is a charger fan. So you can mention here tax for this item. Okay. This is a grand total amount, and your customer, if your customer paid advance, then it should this item this advance amount. Okay. We should save now and submit it. Okay. After sales order, we must make a delivery note, and here all field is automatically generated. So we should save now and submit it. Oh, before submit it, you can make a packing slip. Okay, now we submit it, and then after delivery note, you should make a invoice, sales invoice. Okay, this will automatically generated. Okay, save it and submit it. Here you see you can send the sales invoice to your customer. Suppose this mail is our customer's mail ID. So now you should send it. Wait for some times. Okay, email sent to your customer. At last you must make a payment into your journal entry. So suppose this is a cash voucher. So here an account you should input here. Okay, you should save and submit it. Okay, now we get a report for this selling. And gross profit report, you get it. Okay, this report is for the selling, 10 quantity, selling rate, average buying rate, and selling amount, buying amount, gross profit 10,000, gross profit percentage 33.33%. This is delivery note number, posting date, item code, item name, description, warehouse. Okay, that's all. Thank you all.